Ever needed to edit on the go without a pesky internet connection? CapCut PC offline editing is a game changer, and here's how to master it in just minutes. First, you'll need the CapCut PC application installed. Head over to CapCut's official website and download the desktop version. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. It's pretty straightforward. Now, the crucial step for offline use before disconnecting. Launch CapCut and ensure you've opened all the projects and assets you plan to work on. CapCut cleverly caches recently used files for seamless offline access. This is vital for creative on-the-go editing. Any media, effects, transitions, or stickers you've used or downloaded within the application will be available offline. Once you prep your projects and content, you can disconnect your computer from the internet. CapCut will still function, allowing you to edit, cut, and arrange your videos. You'll be able to perform most editing functions, including trimming clips, adding text, adjusting audio, and applying transitions just as you would online. When you're done editing, you can still export your finished video directly to your PC, even without an internet connection. While most core editing features work offline, remember that certain cloud-based assets or features requiring live internet access, like sharing directly to social media, will be unavailable. But for pure creative editing, CapCut PC Offline is your powerful companion. Happy editing!